Coolant technology has come a long way, and no matter your climate, you can count on Cat fluids to help protect your equipment. Let's look at Cat ELC Advanced and ELI coolants along with the proper maintenance. Before you get started though, check your operation and maintenance manual for proper safety procedures and always wear appropriate personal protective equipment. Cat Extended Life Coolant Advanced is formulated to replace Cat diesel engine antifreeze coolant and natural gas engine coolant. It's available as a concentrate, which needs to be mixed with water, and is also available as a ready-to-use premix. ELC Advanced provides patented aluminum protection that can reduce cavitation. It offers a 20,000-hour or 6-year drain interval. Follow all maintenance recommendations and complete regular fluid analysis to get the most hours from your coolants. Cat ELC Advanced also helps simplify mixed fleet maintenance. It's compatible with diesel and gas engines and works with Cat equipment and mixed fleets. And you don't need supplemental coolant additives at initial fill. Cat Extended Life Inhibitor, or ELI, is a long-lasting coolant for marine and industrial diesel engines. It's available pre-mixed or as a concentrate, which needs to be mixed with water. It's ideal for applications that don't require freeze protection below 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Cat ELI lasts up to 6 times longer than conventional coolants or commercial SCAs mixed with water. This also means fewer maintenance checks, less frequent replacement of inhibitors, and fewer drains and flushes. Cat ELI can help protect against pitting and corrosion for metals such as aluminum, brass, copper, iron, and steel. That enhanced protection often leads to fewer repairs and replacements. And with Cat ELI, you may be able to reduce costs through longer drain intervals. However, it should not be used in engines equipped with an air-to-air aftercooler, or ATAAC. That's because ATAAC engines require coolants with a minimum of 30% glycol. For more information and support, contact your Cat dealer. And always check your operation and maintenance manual for specific instructions and safety procedures.